Good morning friends. Welcome to ABC Real by Bhanu channel. Today I am Anshu Kaur of class 5th. I am here to discuss chapter 3 Cleanliness is Godliness with all of you. This is a chapter of class 5th subject English reader. This video is beneficial for Army Public School students. This video is important for exam perspective. In this video, we are going to discuss first, word meaning of this lesson, second, one word answer of this lesson, third, true and false of this lesson, fourth, question and answer of this lesson. Friends, English Reader Chapter 3 से पहले हम लोगों ने 2 chapters and 1 poem डिस्कस की है. आप इस वीडियो को देखने से पहले उन चैप्टर्स को जरूर देख लें क्योंकि इंग्लिश रीडर ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है और हमारे वीडियोस को अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें जिससे वो भी हमारी इंग्लिश रीडर ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सके. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप में से कोई भी न्यू व्यूअर है जो पहली बार इस चैनल पर आए हैं, प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें जिससे हमारे आने वाले सभी वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके. तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, बिना कुछ देरी किए सेशन की शुरुआत करते हैं. फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस वर्ड मीनिंग ऑफ दिस लेसन. फर्स्ट, मेनलैंड. इट इज अ नाउन व्हिच मीन्स लैंड एंड कॉन्टिनेंट्स. Second, global. It is also a noun which means worldwide. Third, maintain. It is a verb which means to keep. Fourth, particular. It is an adjective which means strict. Fifth, shambles. It is noun which means mess and disorder. Sixth, rubbish. It is a noun which means garbage. Seventh, unhygienic. It is an adjective which means unclean and impure. Eighth, volunteered. It is a verb which means willingly offered to do something. Ninth, tidy. It is an adjective which means to clean. And the last word of word meaning is pardon. It is a verb which means to forgive. Second, we will discuss one word answer of this lesson. Question number 1. Who was the monitor of class 5th? Answer of this question is Aman. Next question. Who has not attended the assembly? Answer of this question is Mohit. Question number 3. What did Mohit clean? Answer of this question is classroom. Question number 4. What was taught by the teacher? Answer of this question is cleanliness is godliness and dignity of labor. Question number 5. Who was the proud of Mohit? Answer of this question is class teacher. Question number 6. What did the Mohit became for all? Answer of this question is role model. Third, we will discuss true and false of this lesson. Question number 1. Aman was the class monitor of class 6th. Answer of this question is false because Aman was the class monitor of class 5th. Question number 2. The class teacher was very strict that everyone should attend the assembly in the morning. Answer of this question is true because The class teacher was very particular that everyone should attend the assembly in the morning. Question number 3. Aman asked Mohit why he had skipped the morning assembly. Answer of this question is true because Aman, the class monitor, asked Mohit why he had skipped the morning assembly. Question number 4. Mohit made an excuse about missing the assembly. Answer of this question is true because Mohit had made an excuse about missing the assembly. Question number 5. The teacher punished Mohit. Answer of this question is false because the teacher appreciated Mohit who had cleaned the classroom. Question number 6. Everyone was in the class when Mohit had come in the morning. Answer of this question is false because everyone has gone to attend the morning assembly when Mohit had come in the morning. Question number 7. Mohit came inside the class to keep his bag. Answer of this question is true because Mohit came inside the class to keep his bag. Last question of true and false is the classroom was quite clean. Answer of this question is false because the classroom was shambles with dust and rubbish and it is unhygienic and dirty. Fourth, we will discuss question and answer of this lesson. Question number 1. Why did Mohit not attend the morning assembly that day? Answer of this question is Mohit didn't attend the morning assembly that day because after keeping his bag in class, when he was about to leave for assembly, he noticed that classroom was dirty and unhygienic, so Mohit decided to stay there and clean the classroom. Question number 2. What did Mohit notice in the classroom? What did he do to rectify it? Answer of this question is Mohit noticed the classroom was in shambles with dust and rubbish and other wastes. The whole place was dirty and unhygienic. To rectify it, Mohit skipped the assembly and cleaned the classroom. Question number 3. Did the teacher scold Mohit? Why? Why not? Answer of this question is no. The teacher didn't scold the Mohit because the teacher have always told the students that the cleanliness is next to godliness. Moreover, the teacher proud the Mohit. Question number 4. How did the teacher appreciate Mohit? Answer of this question is the teacher appreciated Mohit and pointed him out as model to be copied by all others. Last question of question and answer is how did Mohit become a role model for others? Answer of this question is the teacher taught them that cleanliness is next to godliness and dignity of labor. Mohit applied and followed this in true sense. So Mohit became a role model for others. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. For more such videos, press bell icon. Friends, इंग्लिश ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है, तो प्लीज आप हमारी वीडियोस अपने सभी फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, जिससे वो भी हमारी इंग्लिश ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सके। फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।